Hello everyone, we are Team Helium Heads. I'm Udhyukth Kuncham A.
I'm Lakshin Patel.
And I'm Mohith from Grade 7, Excel Public School, Mysore, Karnataka.
The theme we have chosen is Others. Our problem statement is design a prototype for an automated device or machine aimed at improving safety and efficiency in household LPG usage.
Liquefied petroleum gas, or LPG, is the primary choice for cooking in homes all across the globe due to its widespread availability and convenience. However, LPG's inherent flammability poses a significant risk to both life and property in the event of a leakage.
This demands stringent precautions and responsibilities handling to prevent potential hazards.
To gain insights into the public demand and use of our surveys, we did the primary and the secondary research. These are the results. The primary research indicates high concern about gas leaks and a strong interest in automated safety systems. The secondary research cases underscore the potential dangers of gas-related incidents, emphasizing the need for effective safety measures.
To tackle these issues, we present a comprehensive solution focused on a gas leak detection and automated gas valve control. GasGuard is a 3-in-1 device which is versatile and compatible with all LPG gas users around the world. The GasGuard system operates on advanced gas leak detection and automated gas valve control mechanisms, prioritizing home safety. In the event of a gas leak, the system ensures swift response through its automated gas valve control feature. Upon detecting a leak, the system automatically shuts down the gas valves, preventing further leakage and minimizing potential risks associated with flammability.
Continuous LPG level monitoring is a key aspect of the system's functionality. Employing load sensors, the smart gas system monitors LPG levels within the cylinder in real time. Automated notifications are triggered when the gas level drops below predefined thresholds, prompting users to schedule a new cylinder delivery. This proactive approach not only prevents unexpected gas shortages, but also mitigates the risk of running out of gas during critical times.
The burner safety feature adds a layer of protection by alerting users and automatically turning off the gas burners if burners are unintentionally left on. This not only prevents energy wastage, but also addresses safety hazards associated with unattended burners, ensuring that potential fire or gas-related incidents are avoided. By addressing these critical issues, the GasGuard system offers a path towards a safer, more sustainable, and user-friendly approach to LPG utilization in domestic settings. I did the coding for the device and helped in making the research document.
I did the model and helped in coding.
I did the survey and helped in consolidating the research document.
Thank you.